rolling.
Hey, it's Grant here with PJB. We're here in New West in the new mechanical room. They ended up having 2 domestic boilers over here, strictly for their domestic hot water. Then they had 2 heating boilers right over here. They were old cast iron, super inefficient, so now we've upgraded them to 6 boilers, 3 on the back side, 3 on the front. Now the cool thing about this system that we've built is we have them running at blue, and as soon as one boiler goes down, if there's any faults, any issues, they'll come over and then this LED strip down here will turn red. It takes a second for it to do it, so I'll make a problem. I'll turn off the gas for it. Actually, that was standby. We'll turn off. This one's running, so we'll turn that off, and in a minute this one will opt out and go red. Now, another cool thing that we've added, because we took out 2 of the domestic boilers for domestic hot water, we've now upgraded them to a plate exchanger. So this boiler number 3 and number 4, as soon as you get a call for domestic hot water, this will opt out of heating, and it'll go to these pumps that are just behind here, and it'll run through your exchanger and then into your holding tanks. Now over here, this is our whole system right here. All of our boilers go into a header system to our low loss. And then this is the supply side where we've thrown the pumps on as per our engineered drawings. And then we have balancing valves to balance the system, so if the system is not running right, we can find throttle and tweak that. Now the cool thing about this room when I first started was there was so much stuff in here. We've taken all that out. We were really able to clean it up, open this room up, and actually over here, our boiler has now gone into fault, and it says ignition trials exceeded because I've cut the gas off for it. So all we have to do is turn our gas back on. I have to go into the system settings. Go into my error logs, delete errors. And then once I go into here to actually clear the errors, it should turn back to the